Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to use TD Ameritrade for beginners. So basically what you'll have to do is simply go to the official website, and as you can see here you have an option to log in or to open a new account here in the top right corner. And as you can see here, you can simply look for different stocks, and basically you can use TD Ameritrade to trade your stocks. As you can see, you can even find some information. And if you go here to account types, you can see all the accounts that you can open with TD Ameritrade. So basically you can open any, as you can see, standard account, retirement accounts, education accounts, specialty accounts, margin trading, and much more. So if you go here at the top and see the pricing, we can see that basically it's free. So as you can see, zero commissions, not platform fees, no data fees, no trade minimums. And as you can see, you can invest in stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, options, fixed income, and futures, forex currency, and much more. So basically what you have to do is simply sign up for an account, and then you can start trading using TD Ameritrade and start investing. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.